بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما
الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل Have you not considered, O Muhammad, how your Lord dealt with the companions of the elephant?
Yani Abraha and his army who came to destroy the Kaaba yani during the birth, that is the year of the birth of the Prophet ﷺ. The Prophet ﷺ was born Am al-Fil, right? He was born on the year where Abraha came. And Quraysh took great pride in what happened, how Allah defeated the people of the elephant. So this is a reminder to them, لِإِلَافِ Quraysh. That's why some of the ulama, they considered that these two surahs were joined together. Surah Al-Fil and Surah Quraysh. In Surah Al-Fil, the purpose is to remind Quraysh of Allah's blessings, لِإِلَافِ Quraysh.
أَلَمْ يَجْعَلْ كَيْدَهُمْ فِي تَضْلِيلٍ Did he not make their plan into misguidance?
That was well read. Sometimes people make a mistake in words like tadlil, and they recite it with a ta because they can't distinguish between a ta and a dad. So they say tadlil, and that's a mistake. It's like people saying mustaqim with a sad because they can't say mustaqim. And they can't because of the word sirat, and they can't. The letters bleed into each other. So be careful, this one, you recited it well. It should be ta. Lil.
وَأَرْسَلَ عَلَيْهِمْ طَيْرًا أَبَابِيلَ And he sent against them birds in flocks. تَرْمِيهِمْ بِحِجَارَةٍ مِّن سِجِّيلٍ Striking them with stones of hard clay. فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْفٍ مَأْكُولٍ And he made them like eaten straw.
And that was what happened to the army of Abraha, who came with the elephant to destroy the Kaaba. And in that year, the Prophet ﷺ was born. Why did Allah Azza wa Jal tell them about what happened with the elephant? Why did He remind them? لِإِلَافِ Quraysh.